Here is the new Z Flip 5. The mint color is the new shade added to the latest series. It is glossy and matches well with the enlarged cover display's shiny finish. The hinge also got an upgrade. It went from the U-shaped hinge that leaves a gap between the two folding halves to a so-called water drop hinge that enables the two halves to be folded more flatly. Aesthetically, it is a big plus, giving it a more sleek look and fitting better in your hand when you hold it. Due to the enlarged cover display that went from 1.9 inches to 3.4 inches, you can access a bunch of new functions without opening the phone. But first, let's take a look at how you can customize the cover display to add features. You can choose from a bunch of preset formats, but also make your own by selecting photos or videos that you've taken. The video can be up to 15 seconds long. It's a pretty cool function, but this will drain the battery life. Sending reply messages directly through the exterior screen has also become possible. The screen is, of course, smaller than the main display, but it is big enough to send messages without too many typos. Available widgets for the exterior display include calendar, weather, stock, and timer apps. You can always pinch the screen to take a shortcut. There are a select number of downloaded apps you can access from the outer screen, including the widely used KakaoTalk. But if you download this app called Good Lock from Galaxy Store, you can add any downloaded apps on the outer screen, including games like this Candy Crush, although some functions and display won't be optimized. Although a bit cramped, you can even enjoy Candy Crush from the outer screen. Another delightful and probably the most appealing feature of this phone for young adults is that it has a variety of functions for selfies and group selfies. Again, the bigger display allows you to take selfies without unfolding the phone while checking yourself on the exterior screen. You can immediately check the photos taken on the cover display, while for the previous version, you had to open the lid to check the photo. Now, let's take a look at this more serious-looking dude, the Z Fold 5. As you can notice right off the bat, the Fold 5 didn't get a major upgrade like the Flip 5, but it got slimmer and lighter than the previous one. The slim look is mostly attributable to the water drop hinge that allows it to fold more flatly. When holding it with one hand, it's more noticeable. There are many ways to utilize this humongous inner display that is 192.1 millimeters in size. You can open up to 3 apps at once for multitasking, and the screen doesn't feel crowded at all. As you can see here, the drag and drop function got more advanced, allowing you to use 2 fingers simultaneously. You can drag a photo with this finger while opening a note app to drop it to edit it. But most of all, the biggest strength of the Z Fold 5 shows when playing a game. With Qualcomm's upgraded application processor, a heavy game like this one ran smoothly, and the big screen that encompasses the controller pad without hindering the main gaming display felt like this one was probably the best gaming smartphone out there. However, it comes with a hefty price tag as it starts from $1,799 for the base 256GB model. The Z Flip starting price is $999 for the same storage option. So, do you think the upgrades in the newest foldables are worth the premium price tag?